I am a businesswoman and I'm into good faith network marketing. Third reason, in love na in love ako sa product ng good faith. Like example, the bulb. Sobrang nagbe-benefit yung whole family ko dahil yung ating good faith bulb, meron siyang negative ion. So, it really helps sa aming family. And second, yung napkin. I'm so secure while using it. So, alam ko na hindi rin ako basta-basta magkakasakit like cervical cancer. And thirdly, I really like the car ionizer. I've been using car ionizer for about 5 months na sa aking kotse. So, ang ganda. While driving, hindi ako napapagod. So, maganda rin kasi hindi na rin ako bumibili ng mga synthetic na pabango sa loob ng kotse. And, syempre, while using the Good Faith product, nag-benefit na ako through my health, yung income. Sobrang ganda ng result. In 5 months ko in Good Faith, ang ganda ng income na na-achieve ko.